Settu hendina undir krana af vatni og láttu vatnið renna og andaðu inn, andaðu út. Og þú verður fyrir reynslu þetta núna.
When you start to pay attention, which is what mindfulness is all about, one of the things that you begin to see is that we almost never stop thinking. And we become, in some sense, prisoners to our thoughts. But we don't think they're thoughts. We don't recognize them as thoughts. We think they're true. That's a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's like putting a nail in your coffin. But if you see it as a thought, then what mindfulness does is like you see that thought as a kind of little weather pattern in the field of the mind. You don't necessarily have to believe it or put energy into it. And it's like touching a soap bubble. The awareness actually liberates the thought rather than sending it to the next thought, to the next thought, to the next thought, to the next thought. And then you're free in that moment to actually handle your life differently.